Morning from Max are out. This is Sunday the 1st of September, and although we're going this same road, we're turning off at Glasgow, heading for Carlisle to go down to the Lake District. We're going to a little site called Harbour Lights at Haverrig, just for a wee change. There's the Kelpies. Don't think the weather's to be great again, but hey ho, what can you do?
Last couple of days been getting we've got away. Supposed to be thunderstorm.
Yeah, there's a thunderstorm alert for down the area we're going. I don't mind a thunderstorm as long as we're inside. Oh, see deer across in that field there, just seen it in a gap. So yeah, Kenny's driving because he's the only one that can drive this now. Well, apart from Dean. So yeah, so we'll have different scenery, although it'll probably be motorway most of the way. But we'll catch up soon. Glasgow, Carlisle, that's where we're headed. The M80. This will not have any single track roads and passing places and everything this time, eh? Time will tell, eh? It's Castle Carey Arches. Go 102 miles to Carlisle from here. I haven't seen any motorhomers yet, and I've got my wee thing there to count them.
It's not to count the motorhomers.
To count it's to count the ones that wave and the ones that don't wave. But I'm going to put a sticker on that. I'm going to have a happy face for a waver and a sad face for a non-waver.
What is it really called here?
It's a W with an anchor. I don't know what that means, but I think a wee sad face would be better. So yeah, we'll see how many we get on the way down. What was it we said, 3.5? Was it 3.5 hours or something?
3.5 to 4 hours, depending on traffic. So we can get in at 12, 10 past 9, we're really at Cumbernauld. So, it'll be about closer to probably 4 hours. Because I'm not going fast, I'm just over 56.
Aye. There's no point in going speeding. Drive economically. Like I said earlier, there's nothing really to see, it's just all boring roads. Motorway. At least the sun's out. Big tower block flats in Glasgow over there.
That's from Glasgow.
What's that?
I think that's either Motherwell or Hamilton or something.
Oh, right, okay.
It's in that area. The outskirts of Motherwell or something.
Aye, it probably is actually, because New Lanark's there and everything. Okay, I stand corrected.
thing I touched. We're about halfway away.
Halfway away. The
It
south,
takes about 4 hours.
south way to services. It's always a halfway point really, or a first stop point for us usually, eh? We're going to Blackpool or anywhere like that. Head for Southway and then carry on. Right, Kenneth. Didn't realise the Lake District was so hilly. Such narrow roads at bits as well.
Another van hit my mirror.
Yeah, we had a wee bit of bump where, well not a bump, but the wing mirrors hit.
Hopefully I'll pop back in.
So everyone's sitting right now. Oh, can you see it like that? We're trying to find somewhere to stop.
Lay-by coming up.
Yeah, yeah.
1.5 miles, keep left 25.
6 miles.
6 miles.
Oh god, we'll probably be there by then.
Here we go, we're at Harbour Lights. This is the shore side. There's a tide out obviously. You can see away in the distance there, that looks like windmills.
Yeah. I want to see
And there's a wee snack bar there. Yeah. There's a going to go right along this end here to the end there when the tide's in and do a bit of fishing. Right. So our van's where's the van? Our van's just
Oh, your van's in there.
where?
The back of these trees.
back of these trees there, just in about here. So we just, you've got to come up there or go round the roadside where the poles are and out, and then we just, and it's a walkout lagoon round here. I'm going to come fishing because that's the lagoon where the water is. Obviously the tide's out, so that's getting held in. I'll go right to the bottom there and fish over to the sea. Sky bar, open daily for 12.
From 12.
Yeah, noon.
Let's see what this guy has a right. Oh, look, there's an inflatable salt cost in there.
Right, let's see, what will we think? Oh, that's not bad.
Alright.
32,000.
85.
Well, I'm not paying 85. 61.50.
31 either.
But 32,000 for that's not bad.
It looks nice.
What's that? That's a 36 by 12 feet.
2 bedroom, 2 bathroom.
Yeah, that's alright. If you had £32,000, then you've got to think about your fit site fees. Aye. Right. That's a pathway up to the beach there. This is how it should be. I'm sitting here watching TV and David's doing the daily dishes.
I'm making the dinner and I'm going to wash the dishes as well.
Who made the dinner?
We did.
Who made the dinner?
My new wee gadget. Collapsible drainage board thing.
Yeah. I'll show you my temporary fix on the fridge. We've been having problems with the fridge because it's beeping and I think the door's shifted a wee bit. So once Debbie's finished, I'll show you my wee trick. No, it's a temporary fix until we can figure out how to sort it properly, but we'll get there. The rain's on. Typical. Anyway, I'll get back to my...
Mamma Mia.
Watching Mamma Mia. I'll get back to my... Put my feet up and Debbie can do the dishes. Do you see the chain? The chain and... Isn't it? Chain to the sink.
What?
Chain to the sink.
I can't hear you with this daily.
Anyway. Right. In a wee bit. I don't know if you can see it. See it? There's hailstones coming down. But this is the 1st of September, we've got hailstones.
Glad I'm not in a tent, no?
Hailstones. Right, anybody that knows these kind of fridges, right, there we go. Right, there's the door handle, there. Where is my hand there? You have to click it like that. And this bit here grabs in to here and pulls it shut. Problem is, when we did that, right, it was still beating, so I moved the seal out just in the back there and the light was still on, which meant the door wasn't shutting properly for some reason. So, until I figure out how to get that door to tighten up, what I've done, just a wee tip if anybody comes across this, is I've got a wee bit of cardboard there, see, taped there, and just put it around there, right, see, right, and as long as that light's off, it'll no beep during the night, it'll no beep during the day, right, and it keeps it, so it's supposed to be like that, okay, like that. If I do that, it stops it beeping, because it just seems to be the seal's not getting correct. So I need to get somehow to work out how to get that door to tighten up a bit. I thought it might have been the controller, but it's not. I thought it might be the door sensor. It is, but it's not the door sensor at fault. It's the door that's not actually getting gripping in. So it's a bit of a pain in the butt, but we've got a temporary fix now. We'll get there. Anyway, just a wee idea if anybody else come across that. And then Debbie stole my seat.
Yep, because I'm watching Mamma Mia.
Right. Tell you watch telly. Yeah, it's the next day. I've been out for a wee walk. I went and took the drone out to have a wee fly. And the batteries weren't enough power in them, so I've got them on charge. But as I come back, this is what happened. It is raining. Lucky I'm not in a tent. Let's see the rain. And it's supposed to be heavy rain for the rest of the day. Hopefully tomorrow it is going to be a bit sunny, so I'm hoping to get some fishing done, but hey ho, we'll see. There's Debbie, just relaxing there because we can't do nothing else. Right. So just sit back, read you the book, listen to the rain on the roof. Can you hear it? Yep, so that's it. That's all we can do today. Because the grass is sodden, the puddles are forming. And look at the rain, look at that coming down there. At least we're away for the doors. So we'll see what happens later. Bye now.
So now Kenny's in his place. I managed to put him in his place. He's in the kitchen. What are we having tonight? We're having pork medallions.
That's a handy wee device.
Yep.
Fantastic for grilling everything. Chops and everything.
Right, so we're having pork medallions, we're having new potatoes, peas,
with a bit of apple.
Homemade applesauce.
Hey, and I've got dessert as well.
And you've got dessert. A Muller corner.
Yeah.
I'm going to the on-site ice cream shop, thanks very much. If the rain stops.
They bought this in a 1 minute Asda.
Yep.
And it's coming very handy.
Yep.
Then you get all the fat splatters that throw in there.
It's like a George Foreman type thing, but it's not a George Foreman.
Grill type thing.
Aye. Like, a healthy grill, is it? Aye, probably.
It's great for chops.
Aye. Definitely.
What was this? 20 quid or so?
Probably, I can't remember. It was in, who did we say I asked them?
Asda.
Aye. Eh?
Raw.
Bro. So I had to tell you on there watching Modern Family. And we've got a lot of new people arrived. A lot of people went away and a lot of people arrived.
The rain stopped now.
The rain stopped, the sky is bright again. Rain clouds look like they're coming in earlier though, right enough. Somebody brought their hawk with them. So, yep, so I'm looking forward to my dinner because I am starving. Yum yum, it smells good. I wish I had smelly vision. I don't think you need to press it down like that, do you?
Helps.
Okay.
Helps get the fat crispier.
Okay. Right. I'll go just now and let Kenny go on with it. See ya! Here we are along at the lighthouse. Oh, the nice sand here. What, the tide's going in or out? That's it. Coming in. Might get some wind on the camera. On the sound. Again, he's going to try his luck at fishing. You never know. I'm just sitting here enjoying the sun. And there's a wee lighthouse thing. Obviously doesn't get used anymore, but it's all the way around. Over there somewhere is, I'm sure it's Morecambe Bay and then Blackpool. You can see, maybe you'll not catch it on this right enough, but a huge big wind farm out in the water over there. Is that the Irish Sea? It will be. So the Isle of Man will be over there somewhere as well, eh? Yep. At least it's nice and sunny today so far. Yesterday was just a day spent in the van. Yeah, we've got a couple of wee walks, that was it, eh? nice and quiet and peaceful. I'm just listening for the birds as well, because it's a nature reserve. More geese and everything, and geese and seagulls, eh? Oh, here he goes. Good luck. Just watch you doing a slip and fall. Aye, right. I've got my phone, I can phone 999. So Kenny might have a fish. Is it? Hope you didn't get pulled in. He says if I just get one fish I'll be happy, so hopefully this is his one fish. A lovely lump of seaweed. Well done! Looks like there wasn't a fish after all, just seaweed.
don't know if you can see it there. You see the hawk flying above the red van there? That's how you keep the seagulls away. But I'm not too sure what he's trying to keep away. Must be a new type of bird that's scaring them away. Hawk and don't know.
Kenny's cooking again. Katsu curry.
And what can I say? Watching TV, katsu curry. What a chef I am. Oh, and we're just going to leave you to delve in. Love.
And having a wee drink as well.
And a wee drink of wine and a whiskey. Fine, isn't it? Yeah, good.
So this is the back of the or the big front of the toilet block at Harbour campsite. I must say it's the best toilet facilities I've seen. There at the end there's lots of kitchen facilities and things like that. What's it called? Grey waste, toilet waste, drinking water and water there. I'll take you inside one and have a look. Very well equipped disabled toilet. All handrails, a seat in the shower. Lovely heated towel rail. Yep, all good. Nice bench to sit on, even though it squeaks when you sit on it. Well, not this one, but another one I did. So I'll show you another one. And this is the normal one. You see everything's all there. Great big open space. It's actually brilliant. Another heated towel rail. Yep, hanging hooks and everything. And you lock the door and then you push the handle up and a light outside comes out and says it's engaged. And they're all numbered. So, yep, it's all good. The outdoor washing facilities. There's a laundry and everything. And it's there. There you go. A fridge you can put things in if you want as well. Big washer and dryer. Don't know how much it is because we don't use it. Let's see what else I can show you. Oh yeah, and that's the more toilets there. All these are the same all the way along. I think there's 10 of them. And a defibrillator along at the very end. So yep, I would really recommend this site. It's good. Plenty of things. Plenty of facilities. No play park or anything like that, but it's nice and quiet. That's us just getting ready to go home. Emptied the water, toilet and everything. Oh, there's a wee pond thing there. That's nice. So yeah, that's us. So we'll just get on our way. Bye bye.
We done right?
I think so, that's the way we came in anyway. Good morning. Oh, look at the lovely horses over there. Heading home today.
In 1 mile, turn right onto A5,
Going to go and fuel up first. We think we're taking the scenic route home, but we don't know. We're just following the sat nav, which sometimes is a bad thing because it took us completely the wrong place when we were looking for the campsite. But
Maybe go back the same way.
It'll no matter as long as we get back, that's fine.
We'll get here.
Yeah.
Follow the sun, I see. Follow the sun.
I don't see the sun. Oh, this is, we're going up into the hillside. This is the way we came in. Got the big hill in front of us. It doesn't look that steep on this camera, but it's quite steepy.
But the fit good to go.
118. Go, go.
Going to have to drop a gear.
Oh no, I've lost a gear.
Now drop another one.
Oh no!
There we go.
What are we in?
We're in the hill. Look.
Oh, the hill. We did come this way. The hill.
Yeah, this is why we come
We're
in.
on the hill, That's what I had said when we came in here.
This is where the bit's put away.
Beautiful view. I'm just saying it's a beautiful view. Probably the same baggie. I never knew the Lake District was so hilly. The one thing we have noticed about driving along all these roads is there's not a lot of places to pull over to let traffic pass behind us and things. Cars are trying to pass us on dangerous bits of road. Scotland, we've got loads of laybys that you can pull into and things, but down here in the Lake District there isn't. Oh, and then you get big buses coming along. Woo, you can breathe in. Kenny's concentrating. We're now at Foxfield. Back in Scotland. We had lovely weather on the way up, now we've got to Scotland and it's being done.
We're out in a minute. Just this cloud we're going under.
Alright. There we go, back to the sunshine.
The space of half a mile from just about there. A wee bit more than Bermuda, eh?
Scottish weather for you. That's us heading home.
Back to Harbour Lights campsite.
Back from. There's a kelpies.
Nice campsite, quiet, next to the sea.
Just nice and relaxing, eh? It was
Excellent,
nothing there, as we said. There's no play park or clubhouse or anything like that. We shop. It's on-site ice cream parlour though. But yeah, it was lovely. Toilets and everything were amazing.
Excellent, yeah.
Hopefully I took a wee video quickly to let everybody see, but if it's rubbish it'll not be on this. But yeah, so we had a great time, so we'll just be going back, filling up with fuel.
Yeah, then parking up the van.
Parking up and emptying it. Because Dean and Claire and Harry and Bevan are going to be using it in a couple of weeks, so we're going to get all their stuff out so they can get all their stuff in. So, we will catch up soon. Bye for now.
Bye.